It smells very familiar though. It's weird, it tastes different to how it smells. Is it liquid? I don't even know. Oh, that smells delicious. I hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are diving in to yet another Lush kitchen subscription box for the month of November, which I am so excited about because I feel like the kitchen boxes towards the end of the year are my ultimate favourites. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it gives like cozy, warm snuggling by like the fireplace. I don't have a fireplace, but you guys know what I mean. It's giving cozy self-care kind of vibe. So I am so excited to dive into this month's box and see what's inside. I have seen zero spoilers and zero sneak peeks this past month, so I'm really looking forward to diving in. So without further ado, we are going to dive into this month's box. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Ooh. Okay, this is exciting. I love the design of this one. So this is what the box looks like. It says internationally gorgeous and it's got the most beautiful design on it. I am so excited to dive into this one. And I absolutely love the packaging, so far so good. Okay, so let's slide the lid off, and as per normal, I'm going to get rid of that so we don't... Ooh! I'm already really excited about this one. Okay, so we have got a sample in here. That is really fun. I feel like we've never received a sample in the kitchen boxes. I might be completely wrong. I don't remember ever seeing a sample. So this is the Vision Facial Serum. With clean hands, allow the warmth of your fingers to melt the oils and use as a serum. A little goes a long way. And it doesn't really say much else about it. That's really intriguing. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's literally a very oil... Oh my goodness, what am I saying? An oily based serum is what I'm trying to say. It smells very familiar though. It's really lovely. It's a very gentle scent, very calming, very... just subtle. Maybe a bit of lavender in there. I'm not actually too sure. I am going to look on here quickly and just see whether it's on there, but I don't think it is. No. So that's just a nice little addition. I'm very excited to try that. So maybe that is a product coming soon. Who knows? Ah, okay, I see. So this was also in the box, and on here it says, something fresh is here. Is Vision Facial Serum a product you can no longer live without? Join Lush Club to find the full size, unlock juicy rewards, and gain access to limited edition product drops. Okay, so what I'm assuming is, okay, and it has all the ingredients on the back. So this one actually has marula oil, moringa oil, rosehip oil, candelia wax. We've got neroli, we have got lavender, rose absolute, we have got chamomile oil, but I'm assuming this is basically like a little promotion of the Lush Club, which if you haven't joined it, definitely join. You get loads of fun things like free products and you gain points and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that was just a nice little touch, so I love that, Lush. Thank you very much. Okay, so now let's dive into all of the full-size products. The first thing I can see is, oh, okay, so this is the NYC at Night Shower Gel, and on the bottle it says, come in for a landing with crisp Big Apple and sweet benzoin resin suds that twinkle like the New York City skyline at night. You've arrived. This is a beautiful shower gel. The glitter is incredible. If I turn it round, you guys should be able to see it. It's absolutely stunning. In terms of ingredients in this one, we have got things like aloe vera gel, grapefruit oil, we have also got clove bud oil and benzoin resinoid, we have got carrageenan extract, and we have charcoal. The only thing with this that I'm a little bit concerned about is how liquidy it seems. I don't know if you guys can see the kind of bubble in there. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, probably not, but it seems to be moving around quite a lot, which kind of makes me think maybe it's a more liquidy texture. Oh, I'm so scared. Is it liquid? I don't even know. That smells heavenly. This smells very familiar. Like, I feel like we have had something in that scent before. Oh, that's lovely and fresh. But yeah, I'm not too sure about the texture of this one. I fear, is it going to be a little bit liquidy? I don't know. But I'm really intrigued to try it. It might be more of like a gel consistency. I can't tell. But it's beautiful though. The glitter, again, absolutely stunning. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. And yeah, it smells delish. So I love that. Okay, the next item we have... Oh, this is a new... What? This is exciting. I am really enjoying this. So this is Flick. It's a fragrance hair bomb. It's for volume, fragrance and style. Just add to water and you can have it all. How to use: pop into a non-breakable container of warm to cool water as the final rinse to your hair. Okay, so you would just shampoo, condition and then rinse it out with this. That's so exciting. Ingredients wise in this, we've got lemon peel powder, we've got sandalwood, vetiver oil, cinnamon leaf oil, we have got hoops powder. I do not know what that is. Can I open it? I'm so scared. What's going to be inside? Ooh! Stop. Oh, they're little tablets. That's so interesting. Hang on. So they're like this. And you get like a good few in there. That's so fun. Ooh. Okay, so this scent isn't something I would normally gravitate toward, but actually, it's really quite nice. It kind of smells like incensey, earthy, very smoky and woodsy, but like not in a garden kind of smell. That's really, really nice. And what a fun invention. I absolutely love that. So that is the next item. Next up, we have got, oh, okay, we have got a lip scrub. This is the Naughty Lip Scrub, and in terms of ingredients, we have got castor sugar, rosewood oil, we've got rose oil, jojoba oil. It looks really fun. This is what it looks like. I'm intrigued to see what the actual flavour is, but that is so fun and interesting. Oh, that just dived straight off. I did not know what happened there. Oh, okay. It's very rosy. Obviously from the ingredients you could tell it would be rosy, but this is like super rosy. And it's definitely more on the like sweet, sort of more natural rose smell. It's weird, it tastes different to how it smells. It's very, I don't know, like sherbety and sweet, but that is a really lovely flavour, and it definitely has, like I said, a more rosy, natural, fresh bouquet of flowers kind of smell. But that is really interesting, although I have just noticed it is wet, and I think maybe the shower gel has leaked in this box, which is a bit concerning, but it's absolutely fine. We're just gonna rub it off and wipe it on the trousers. But that's the next item. That's so fun. Okay, and then the next item we have, oh, okay, this one looks really fun as well. So this is the Cult Rose Glycerin Toner, and it says rose water and kombucha soothe, hydrate and promote healthy looking skin that is perfectly prepped for the next step in your routine. And ingredients wise in this one, it is literally rose water, glycerin, kombucha, and that is it. So this is what it looks like. That is so fun. I've also just noticed that all the products say Roe and Gary Inventions, so maybe I'm going to assume this is all of their products that maybe didn't kind of come out on the shelves, but that is so fun and different. I love that, and I absolutely love the Lush toners. I have used them for such a long time, so let me give it a smell. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. Just so fresh, rosy, gentle. I'm very excited to try this one. And last but definitely not least, we have got a soap, I'm assuming. I mean, it literally says soap on it. This is what it looks like. And this is soap. It's called soap, so this is the soap. Ingredients wise in this one, we've got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, almond oil, rose oil, we've got cocoa butter, lavender oil, we have got lippy butter, we have got almond milk. Ooh, that smells really good. I will say a lot of these products have a very similar scent, and it's really hard to pinpoint what that scent is, but this feels very nourishing. Oh, that smells delicious. It's giving like spa smell. Does that make sense? It's a very gentle, fresh, oh, it's so good. Wow, I absolutely love that. And it literally says soap on it, which I think is so cute and retro. Yum, yum, yum. So those are all of the products in this month's Lush Kitchen subscription box. I would love to know down below, what did you think of this month's box? To be honest, I actually really have enjoyed it. The only thing I am questioning, I cannot speak guys today, honestly, questioning is the shower gel. Is it supposed to be liquidy? Let me know down below if yours is also very liquidy, because I would love to know. And also let me know down below, did you get this box? Did you skip it? Again, I would love to know your thoughts and opinions. That is everything for today's video. Also, before I forget, I do just want to let you guys know that if you didn't know already, I do have a Lush affiliate link, which is always down below. I do earn a very small commission on any products that you buy, and I would really appreciate it if you ever that's not English, Melody. If you were to ever buy anything, if you were to use my link, I would really appreciate it, but don't feel like you have to, of course. It just is down below if you would like to, and if you would like to sign up to the kitchen box. But yeah, that is everything. I love you guys so incredibly much. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.